Hello, welcome to Foetron Cloud Academy. We shall learn a little more about Outlook today to get more efficient at the workplace. Today we shall learn about how to give voting buttons and how to enable sent and read receipts in mails. So I think I can explain these topics better while I give the demonstration. So let's go right ahead. This is my Outlook client, and to enable the vote button feature, the read receipt feature and the delivery receipt feature, we have to first click on new mail in the home tab. So this will lead us to another window altogether. So this is a new window. So under the options tab in the window which pops up when you click on new mail, you can see use vote buttons. So vote buttons are used generally for example, I'll give you an example here. So when you're asking another person for a meeting, that excuse me sir, I am setting up a meeting for 3 o'clock, do you accept or do you reject? So you can have these kind of things done. So the person does not have to generally reply to it like yes I do accept or yes or no I cannot come. You can just add a button to, and the person on the other end can just press yes or no and can choose then that if he wants to give a response or not. So it lessens down the process. And the request delivery receipt is one of the most important features, because sometimes the mails you are sending, you want to know that they've received their destination or not. So what if you check this request a delivery receipt option here, so what it'll do, once you've done sending the mail, it'll send a mail. Once the mail has received the destination, it'll send a mail back to you in your inbox telling you the mail has been delivered to the other person. And read receipt, so at times when you're sending important mails to customers, you want to know if the customers have read your mails or not, so that the time saves or something. So you can enable the read receipt option. So whenever you send a mail with the read receipt option enabled, so at the user end will be asked that have you read the message or not. If the user clicks on yes, the message has been read, so you will get another mail in your inbox saying the user has read the mail. So these are important features. Let's see how it works. For use vote button features, I'll just send a mail to myself so that I can show you the use vote button feature, and for the rest I have mails stored which I can show you. So let's see, I'm sending a mail to myself just to show you how the buttons look like in a mail which you receive, right? So I'll just send a mail to myself. This is test right here. I don't think we require the body, so we'll just use one of the buttons. So we have a lot of options for the buttons, plus you can create a custom button as well, wherein you can put in your choices. So I just put in a regular approve or reject button, and I want a read receipt and a delivery receipt. I checked in both. I have examples for you both, so I can show you how the mail looks like. Since the read receipt mail takes a little bit time to receive, you can try it all. You can try it on yourself and see if it works. So let's see how it goes. I send the mail. I got the mail which I sent to myself. I got a delivery receipt from Microsoft saying the message has been delivered to the following recipient, which is Pranchal Bhargava, right? And let's look at the mail, actual mail. So this is our actual mail, where I will click here to vote. So I vote approve. Yes. So it will send me a response as well, which will look something like this. See, Pranchal has requested a read receipt. So in my mail which I sent to myself, I also request for a read receipt. So once I click on yes, I will get a mail saying your message has been read by so and so user at this time on this date. And also the vote button which I pressed, it has also sent me a response that the test is approved. I choose approve test, so it also sent me a response recording the voting buttons as well. So these are a few features which you can add to your mails by when you're sending important mails to customers or to other people, just to keep a check that if they're getting their mails delivered. And in case if it's an important one, you can have the read receipt aligned. And to save time from some users, you can also use the voting button. So that was all for content in this video. So please like, comment, share, subscribe, and bye bye.